Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get a dedicated IP address with NordVPN. So let's get started. Start by signing up for NordVPN using the link in the description box. Click on the Download App button to start downloading it. Once you have the setup installed, double-click on it to start the installation process. Select the install directory and click on Next. The installation might take a while. Once the installation is completed, click on Finish to launch the app. Set up the NordVPN account, and once you have done that, you will see that you have the option for a dedicated IP address under the specialty servers. NordVPN offers dedicated IP specialty servers that only you can use, and it's available in specific locations. You can click here to start using the dedicated IP, but it's not free. Go to the NordVPN plan page and select your plan. Once you have done that, simply add the dedicated IP option. Keep in mind that it costs an additional $4 per month. The dedicated IP is available in certain locations only, so check the list of available countries. Also, if you live in a country with strict internet restrictions, the dedicated IP might not work. That's how you can get a unique dedicated IP just for you. If you're interested, click the link in the description box to start using NordVPN. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.